AM transmit test. Channel 20. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Sideband. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Audio. We are on a dummy load. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Audio. It's got talkback and echo. Let me put it on the air for a second. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Audio. 1, 2, 3. AM. Sideband. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Audio. There's your echo. It's got talkback on by default. It's pretty low level. Doesn't squeal. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Now let's show the modulation on the scope here. Okay. Here's scope. Microphone. Perfect modulation envelope. No clipping. No flat topping. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Test, test. 1, 2, 3. Radio comes with microphone, power cord, no bracket, no mounting hardware. Everything else in the background is not included. Thank you. Forgot the receive test. 25 microvolts, S9 AM. Go to lower sideband. S9, 25 microvolts. Verify everything works. All right, 73s, y'all.